Swing level 3.
That's correct. I'm Peter.
I'm Maddie.
So we tried working on the whip, and that's going to be sort of a work in progress. Here's what we want it to look like. Very big. So whippy feeling, really with the left side, hitting it hard on that turn, but when you hit it hard, it's just rotating fast, and the hands catch up. We're going to work a lot more on that later because it should feel smooth, but it's just going to take some practice. We also worked on just finishing forward and having a little drag here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. For the leaders, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. And that delay in the timing of my footwork, I want to actually like translate into the feeling. So we build up a little feeling, leave my hand and stretch a little bit, and then it'll catch up later. Again, that one's still a work in progress as well. We'll do it some more. And the one that we did pretty darn well today was this circle that's just a little zoomy, kind of an oval circle. So, zoom, zoom. We're getting a hold of that one. That was really good. Get some practice with it, and we'll see you next week.